Artificial intelligence. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? Robots taking over the world, spaceships zipping across galaxies. But guess what? AI is already here, not in some distant future, but woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. It's not about robots conquering Earth yet, but about making our lives easier, more efficient, and even a bit more fun. Think about it. When you ask Siri to set a reminder or Alexa to play your favorite song, you're interacting with AI. When Netflix recommends a show you might like or Spotify creates a personalized playlist, that's AI at work. It's quietly transforming everything from how we commute to how we learn. And this is just the beginning. AI is evolving at an incredible pace, constantly learning and improving. It's like a curious child, soaking up information and figuring out new ways to apply it. So buckle up because the AI revolution is just getting started, and it's going to be an exciting ride. Imagine walking into your home after a long day, and the lights automatically turn on. Your favorite music starts playing, and the thermostat adjusts to your preferred temperature. It's the power of AI in smart homes. Voice assistants control lighting, appliances, and security systems. Smart security systems detect unusual activity and alert you. AI in smart homes is all about convenience, comfort, and efficiency. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic fantasy, are quickly becoming a reality. AI is the brains behind these vehicles, allowing them to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even park themselves. Imagine a future where you can relax, read, or nap while your car whisks you to your destination. AI-powered systems use sensors, cameras, and algorithms to make driving decisions. They detect pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles reacting faster than human drivers. This technology can drastically reduce accidents, making roads safer for everyone. There are still challenges to overcome, but progress is remarkable. It won't be long before these vehicles share the road with us regularly. Imagine road trips where you enjoy the scenery or commutes where you catch up on work. The future of transportation is autonomous, and it's powered by AI. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, offering new tools and techniques for diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. From analyzing medical images to assisting in complex surgeries, AI is transforming the medical landscape, making healthcare more accurate, efficient, and accessible. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and CT scans, detecting anomalies and assisting doctors in making more accurate diagnoses. AI-powered surgical robots can perform complex procedures with greater precision and control than human surgeons, minimizing invasiveness and improving patient outcomes. And AI-powered virtual assistants can provide patients with personalized health information and support, empowering them to take control of their own well-being. Imagine a future where diseases are diagnosed earlier and treated more effectively, where personalized medicine is tailored to each individual's unique needs, and where healthcare is more accessible and affordable for everyone. AI has the potential to make this a reality. It's not about replacing doctors, but about augmenting their abilities and empowering them to provide even better care. Entertainment gets smarter, AI curates your fun. AI is changing the way we experience entertainment, from recommending movies and music to creating personalized experiences. Think about Netflix's recommendation algorithm, which suggests shows and movies based on your viewing history, or Spotify's personalized playlists, which curate music based on your listening preferences. That's AI at work, making sure you always have something entertaining to watch or listen to. AI is also being used to create new forms of entertainment. AI-powered art generators can create stunning visuals, composers can use AI to create new musical pieces, and writers are even experimenting with AI-powered storytelling tools. It's a whole new world of creative possibilities. AI is not just about consuming entertainment, it's about creating it too. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and personalized entertainment experiences in the future. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be watching a movie written, directed, and scored entirely by AI. Education and customer service AI as teacher and helper. AI is transforming education and customer service, making learning more personalized and customer interactions more efficient. In education, AI-powered tutoring systems can provide students with individualized instruction, adapting to their learning styles and pace. AI can also automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best: teaching. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots can handle routine inquiries, providing instant support and freeing up human agents to deal with more complex issues. This not only improves efficiency, but also provides customers with 24/7 access to assistance. AI is not about replacing teachers or customer service representatives, it is about empowering them. By automating routine tasks and providing personalized support, AI allows educators and customer service professionals to focus on building relationships and providing the best possible experience for students and customers alike. The future of AI, a world of possibilities. The future of AI is full of exciting possibilities. As AI continues to evolve, it will become even more integrated into our lives, transforming everything from how we work and learn to how we interact with the world around us. Imagine a future where AI-powered personal assistants can manage our schedules, book appointments, and even anticipate our needs. A future where AI-powered medical devices can monitor our health and provide early warnings of potential problems. A future where AI-powered robots can explore other planets and unlock the secrets of the universe. The possibilities are endless. Of course, with any powerful technology, there are also potential risks and challenges. It's important to develop AI responsibly, ensuring that it is used for good and that its benefits are shared by everyone. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it, to ensure that AI serves humanity and helps us create a better future for all. AI, and you join the conversation. AI is not just a technology, it's a conversation. A conversation about the future of humanity, about the kind of world we want to create, and it's a conversation that everyone needs to be a part of. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we engage in a thoughtful and informed dialogue about its implications. What are the ethical considerations? How can we ensure that AI is used for good? What are the potential risks, and how can we mitigate them? These are important questions that we need to address together. So, join the conversation. Share your thoughts, your concerns, and your hopes for the future of AI. Let's work together to ensure that AI is a force for good, a tool that empowers us to create a better world for ourselves and for generations to come.